Kunzeke imbali ngethuba i-World Trade Organization ibhengeza kunyulo kukagqirha Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala njengomlawuli jikelele walo mbutho.
I, as General Council Chair, supported by the facilitators, thereby recommend formally that the General Council agree to appoint Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala of Nigeria as the next Director General of the WTO, starting on 1st of March 2021 until 31st August 2025.
Khange ibe lula indlela kagqirha Okonjo-Iweala nelizwe laseMelika khange lilixhase linyathelo lokunyula kwakhe ekuqaleni.
It has been a long and tough road, full of uncertainty, but now it's the dawn of a new day and the real work can begin. Today, WTO members are making history. For the first time in the 73 years of GATT and WTO, you are selecting a woman and an African as Director General. This is groundbreaking and positive. I'm grateful for the trust you have in me, not just as a woman and an African, but also in my knowledge, experience, and as some of you have said, courage and passion to work with you to undertake the wide-ranging reforms the WTO needs to reposition itself for the future.
Nangona kunjalo ugqirha Okonjo-Iweala ufuna amazwe ehlabathi asebenzisane nangakumbi.
The challenges facing the WTO are numerous and tricky, but they are not insurmountable. There is hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel if we work together in a transparent manner that builds trust, builds bridges, diffuses political tensions, and encourages convergence. The pandemic and its economic fallout have highlighted the interdependence of countries, the importance of multilateralism, and the need to strengthen collaboration to achieve fair and balanced trade agreements that provide opportunities for all WTO members.
Uthi lo mbutho uzakuqinisekisa ukuba amazwe angathathi ntweni ayaxhamla xa erhwebelana namazwe afumileyo.